Hi guys, so recently I got a questions regarding an old Canon printer. It's a Canon MX395. The question was regarding overflow tank, where it is. So to get to the overflow tank, you need to take all of the covers. I have two videos regarding this. I will put the links of those videos down below in the comments and in the description of the video. So the overflow tank is right behind the cartridges, and it's this here, and the pump, by the way, it's hidden here, so the waste ink will be sucked by the pump, and it will go down the with the hose down there, and it will be pumped in here. Sometimes the ink will dry up here and get sticky, and the ink cannot get anymore in the absorption material. So it's sometimes good to clean it up a little bit. Otherwise, it will overflow very fast here, and maybe it will find its way to drip, and that's not really nice, right? Especially when it sits, the printer sits on some nice desk. So yeah, that's about it. The material itself, you seldom need to replace it. You will need to print really huge amounts of ink before it stops absorbing, right? So that's about it. If I hope it helps you, like, subscribe, leave a comment, or leave a question if you like. And I wish you a very good day. Goodbye, guys. Bye.